Okay, here we go with the unboxing of the Blaze laser bike light. Probably the most exciting Kickstarter I've backed. So we'll open it up here. Check this out. Very nice packaging. Absolutely gorgeous light here. To unlock it, I understand I press both buttons. And it'll flash twice. There we go. Now it's unlocked, I can turn it on. Let's try that again. Unlocked, and I can turn it on, brighter, off, so forth. The laser's not going to work yet, and we'll play with that in a second. Okay, that's the light. That up. The user manual, and I admit I cheated a little bit. I've already read this online, but it's fairly extensive and complete. The charger uses a magnet, so that secures onto the light. Doesn't quite hold the full weight of the light, but that's fine. We don't really need that to happen. The mount for the bike, and this is very clever. On the bottom of the light, we snap the mount on, and once we've snapped it on the mount, then the laser will work. So there's our bike, and obviously as we get farther away it gets bigger. Perfect for as we're riding. Very slick. And that's got a blink mode and a constant on mode. In addition to that, so that snaps on. Again, that's the safety. It prevents the laser from coming on. Now I can't turn the laser on. We've got the various adjustment straps so that we can set how large the thing is, and of course the ubiquitous hex key to adjust this. So we'll be putting this on our bike in just a second, and we'll try it out. That's it for now. Very exciting unboxing.